What's going on, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Tonight we're starting the video really late, as you can see, because we are heading out to a car meet. My buddy Shaq just took off, and my buddy Gabe is up here as well. Like the Three Musketeers tonight, rolling to this car meet. Gonna go check it out. Happens every Thursday. My goodness, that guy has like one headlight. Couldn't see him, but thankfully I double checked. Anyways, we are heading to a local car meet. Just gonna go check it out, rolling with the squad here, and hopefully it'll be a good night. Gave the car a nice detail today. Here are the boys, all cleaned up, looking clean, There they are. So I want to catch you guys as soon as we pull up. It's currently like 8:30 on a Thursday night. Hey, I don't know where I'm going, so you gotta lead the way. Okay. Alright boys, here we are, just pulled up to the meet. Let's go see what's up. Hey Gabe, you're a little crooked. You're a little crooked on this side. You might want to go forward and come back a little more straight.
I was giving him room to get out really quick.
Oh, okay. No, they're pretty big spots, that's good.
Oh, my straight.
Yeah, you're good. Honestly, probably fix mine a little bit. So, everyone's like pulling up right now. All these Beamers are here, M3s. It should be a fun night. I'm gonna go check out, see what kind of cars are around. Does that sound like it's chopping?
It's got a cat.
Alright. Shitty eyes. me if I... That fresh kicks? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just doing a little bit of a ricey light show over here by myself.
Truck is pro charged.
Oh, Texas plates, man. Must be fast. Isn't that the way it goes? If it's from Texas, it's quick?
Yeah.
Is that LT, right? LT, yeah. Calm down, champ. Woo! Does everyone have a cam over here with a Camaro or what? It's a very diverse meet, guys. There's a lot of different cars. Yeah, it's the low life. Is that a taxi Dodge over there? I'm dead. Oh, this is a ZL1 right here. Looks sick. Dude, I love ZL1s. Especially in that red color. They look so mean. So there's a taxi Mopar over here. Lambo doors on the caddy. We're gonna go look at that one. That thing sounds sick. Sick sounding cam. Whoa, shit. Damn. Got a psychedelic Mustang. It's a sick route. This place is gapped. Oh, it's the Plum Crazy too. That color's sick.
I got a guy that he's gonna do my 392 coverage. I think candy, carbon fiber candy red. That's awesome. Because my interior is red.
Oh, you can smell that. No cats. Check this thing out. Looks like a CTSV with the Lambo doors. No. Would you do Lambo doors? Got the carbon fiber hood. This thing right here though. See, I'm not a big fan of Camaros, but the ZL1 is the only one that I'm like all about. Especially the one with the, I think 1LE they call it. Looks amazing. More and more people pulling in. See how low that is? Crazy, dude. Damn, look at this thing. Stealthy. I like that. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this guy's like all done up. I've seen this car before. Mustang with a big wang, guys. What do you think? Are you gonna rev it? MBRP catback with no cats. That's why it sounds like that. It sounds really good. Got that half wrap. Damn, that color is sick. They make it pretty fast. The boys are about to pop their hoods, show off their blowers, so that I can be all left out with no blower. It's my good old JLT intake. Damn, what is that? What is that? Dude, we gotta get rid of those little props. We gotta get the head struts.
You still have the...
Yeah. Here it is, guys, the Whipple. That Gen 2 Whipple. I mean, sorry, Gen 5 Stage 2 Whipple. Can we see your turbo, dude?
Yes, sir.
How big is this turbo?
It's a small one.
Damn, look at that snail. Damn. It looks so weird not having your intake connected, though.
Yeah, no.
Like, it just
so
looks like
it's
it's so much space. I think you need another turbo right here. So on this side, got the Porsche up in here. Porsche turbo. I don't know what that is. What kind of car is that?
Plymouth.
Oh, look at this thing. Grape City over here.
The Plymouth UPX.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this meet. We're getting ready to head out. I need to go to Propel, which is 85 station, fill up some 85. So we're gonna cruise with the boys over there. Fun little meet, you know, kind of very diverse, a lot of different type of cars around. Mustangs definitely grab a lot of attention, especially when they're all three parked next to each other. And when the boys popped their hoods, everyone kept stopping and taking a look, and they thought the Pro Charger was the turbo, which is really funny. A lot of people don't know about that, but yeah, cool little meet. Thinking about having my own meet one day. Hopefully you guys will come out, show some support. I met some of you guys, so if you came by and said what's up, shout out to you guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head out now. I'll probably get some footage of us cruising on the freeway for you guys. Give you some sound clips, stuff like that. I know you guys like to hear the Pro Charger and the Whipple and all that fun stuff. Zooming on the freeways, so we'll try to get some of that for you. So here we go. Yep. There we are, the 85 pump. All right, guys, at the 85 station, the only good one in OC. Because good 85 is extremely important. The boys are about to pull up. I'm the first one here, even though I'm the slowest in the group. Here they are. Hey. Little takeover, taking over the 85 pumps. We just need one more car to occupy all of them. Give her a little rev shack. Let's hear it. Oh my God. Yo, those pops, my ears are like that. Damn, sounds so good. Fun little cruise over. All right, let me grab some 85 real quick. Today's price is $2.79.
Went down?
Yeah, it went down a little bit, yep. Ooh, look what we just showed up. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for tonight's video. That was a fun little meet, fun little cruise over here to Propel Station with the boys. Definitely check them out. We got 5.0 right here, and then Shaq trying to hide from the camera, but I ordered a new splitter, and tomorrow we got some big news coming. I'm not sure if I'm gonna tell you guys that tomorrow or not, but let's just say something is here for the car. So anyways, yeah, here it is. Last fuel up of the night before we head home. But all the cars looking super clean. Good old Propel Station. So I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. If you did, as always, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Rush, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.